Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a tight, even base so the filling stays stable. Crush 250 g biscuits to fine crumbs, then stir in 75 g melted butter until it holds together. Press the mixture firmly into a 20 cm springform pan, compacting the edges and center. You want no gaps. Chill it for 15 to 20 minutes so it firms. If you like a firmer, toasted flavor, quickly bake at 160 degrees for 8 minutes, then cool before filling. You want a silky filling. Beat 500 g cream cheese until perfectly smooth, then add 120 g sugar and 1 tsp vanilla for flavor. Once integrated, fold in 200 g sour cream to lighten texture and add moisture. Meanwhile, bloom 8 g powdered gelatin in 60 ml cold water for 5 minutes, then warm gently until fully dissolved but not boiling, and let it cool slightly. Slowly drizzle the dissolved gelatin into the cheese mix. You now pour the filling over the cold crust and smooth the top so the surface is even. Tap the pan gently to release air bubbles. Cover loosely and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours, ideally overnight, so the gelatin fully sets and the texture firms. To serve, run a warm knife around the springform edge, release and slice with a hot, wiped knife for clean cuts. If the cheesecake weeps, make sure it's thoroughly chilled. If it won't set, dissolve 1 to 2 grams extra gelatin, whisk in warm, and rechill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.